another haul, and this time it is a Bandra haul. First of all, street shopping इतने time बाद की है that we are so excited. So in this haul we are going to show you things which we have got from both the roads, like Hill Road and Nicking Road. And the fun part is that everything is under 300 rupees, which is so cool. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so starting with tops, so I bought just one top because one top भी मतलब मैं तो ये सोच के चली ही नहीं थी कि मुझे tops तो मिलेंगे ही, because मेरे size के tops usually नहीं मिलते, either something is like too short or too tight or something. So this top that I bought, this ना हम लोग ऐसे ही चल रहे थे, वो रास्ते पर लेकर खड़ा था, not even like a stall or something, was literally holding hangers हाथ में, and this was just for 200 rupees. I cannot believe that I paid 200 for this. Firstly, the color is so cool, and the material is great, and it is of not a short length or long length, kuch nahi, it's just proper.
For me, I have got a lot of tops, so let's get started. So first of all, this top is what Urvi convinced me to buy this. So this is not a top, this is a shirt. This is a silk shirt. ये बहुत famous and बहुत trendy है right now. I love the color of it. Like I like this nudish color. The material is so soft, so good. So Urvi told me, you can style this up in so many ways. So I'm excited to wear this. And this one was again just for 200 rupees. Next, for a change, इस time ना मेरे को सामने से ऐसा था, you know, I want to get one crop top. I'm a person who is very skeptical about wearing crop top. Like, so this time I was like, you know, let me get one according to me, and this is one which I got. Oh my god, the fit of this is so good. Iski length is perfect, you know, not very short and not very long, and the print in it is so good. Like I just love this, and the sleeves is also so good. Loved it. Again, this was for 250 rupees, I guess, which is a really nice deal. जिधर से उर्वी ने उसका फर्स्ट टॉप लिया था, this is the same place where I got this. Very nice color. I love this shade of blue. It is really nice. The neck is also really good in this. I love how this has this lace kind of a thing. आप उसे ऊपर बांधोगे तो एकदम बहुत babes like लगेगा, and you can tie this down for a casual look, and again just for 200 rupees. Next one is my favorite, and it is the one which I'm wearing right now. I saw it and I was like, dude, I want to get this. First of all, the color of this is so nice, and also the pattern looks really good on my body. Then again, I guess on Linking Road there was this uncle who was sitting on the streets and ऐसा बस थैला भर के t-shirts रखे थे, and उधर से I got 2 t-shirts again for 200 rupees each. And the material of this t-shirt is so good. This is how it looks like. It says be happy. I love the quote on it, and the material is really soft. मैंने इससे 2 से 3 बार तो पहन भी लिया. नेक्स्ट डे मैंने इसे पहन लिया था. आई एम सो सॉरी, दिस इज नॉट आयरन्ड बिकॉज मैं लिटरली वॉशिंग मशीन से इसको उठा के लेके आई हूँ. दिस इज हाउ द सेकेंड वन. द कलर ऑफ दिस इज सो नाइस, लाइक अ मिंट ग्रीन कलर विच रियली लुक्स नाइस, एंड इसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है choose happiness, which is again a really nice quote. That uncle had really nice t-shirts.
Yeah. Then moving on, I bought 2 jewelry pieces. Both of them are neck pieces. So this one is a very delicate one. Both of them are very dainty. I bought them for 100 rupees each, and I'm a sucker for neck pieces, especially dainty ones. Then the second one that I got is this double layered one, which is also for 100 rupees, which I think was a steal because it is a double layered one. And not only that, it had like colors on it. So it has an evil eye pendant and also some blue beads on the shorter one, and you can also wear them individually as well. You just have to detach it and you can wear it individually, and I love this. I just hope it doesn't get tarnished easily. I mean, उन्होंने काफी गारंटी के साथ बोला तो था कि बस आप उसको पानी में मत डालो, and other than that you are good to go. So I just hope it doesn't get tarnished easily.
So the next thing which I have is again the same necklace which Urvi talked about right now, the evil eye thing and the turquoise stone kind of a thing. मेरे को necklaces का पहले इतना शौक नहीं था, but आजकल you know plain tops जब पहनते हैं ना तब necklaces बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. And next ये तो I guess आपने हर blogger के पास देखा होगा. This is a 3-layered necklace which has a lock, a thick chain and one small pendant. This was for 150 rupees. but really good and worth it for 150 rupees.
Then moving on to one thing that actually made me go to Bandra Hill Road or Linking Road were PJs. Now 90% of the times my work is from home, so I literally live in PJs and मेरे PJs तो बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गए थे in lockdown because सब घर का काम कर करके ना फट गए थे. And 90% of the times all of my PJs are from Bandra Hill Road only. So I bought these two. They are for 150 rupees each. And मैंने ये दोनों भी एक एक बार पहन लिया है and I love it. It's cotton. It's good for Mumbai summers as well and it fits me. The biggest problem for me from these street clothes is that वहाँ पर ऐसा लगता है कि हो जाएगा and then घर आके पता चलता है कि टाइट होगा. And मतलब for lounge wear I cannot wear anything tight. I need like एकदम baggy. It has a nada thingy over here and it has lipstick print on it, so it's just a cute color and it's just cute. And the other one is actually my personal favorite. It is lavender in color and I just love it. It has cute baby elephants print on it and it's just nice. Both of them fit really nicely.
So next thing which I am a person जो हमेशा वो छपरी से sliders पहन के घूमती है. You know 100 रुपए के easy sliders. It is just very comfortable to me. But I understand काफी जगह पे नहीं अच्छा लगता है and that is the reason I got these. So these are again from Bandra and these were for 250 rupees. No,
210.
Yeah. हमने वो अंकल से इतना बार्गेन किया था, बार्गेन किया था. Oh my god. So this is for 210 rupees. Of the way that it has this आगे का pointy thing, it makes the outfit very rich and very polished and even this golden belt thing adds a lot of nice to this. अब मैं वो slippers पहनने के बाद ये पहनती हूँ ना, I feel like oh my god I'm a woman, wearing stylish chappals and all that. Daily wear के लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं.
Bandra जाओ and चप्पल या कुछ ना लो, that's just not possible. And this was actually the second reason why I went to Bandra because मैं ना मतलब online I'm just not willing to pay like 600-700 for one pair of shoes. I either buy my shoes from Street Style store जहाँ पे 1000 में you get 3 pairs. But the problem with Street Style store is that 2 महीने लग जाते हैं वो आने के लिए and I was desperately in need of some good everyday footwear. So even I bought the same ones which Dinkle showed for 210 bucks. This was from Linking Road and मैंने ये पहने नहीं अब तक, but they are super comfy and मतलब they're just good basic mules. Then I bought these pair of wedges. Wedges nahi exactly, they are just basic platform heels with this gunmetal sort of glossy pattern on the top. And ये मैंने Hill Road से लिया था, इसके साथ और भी लिया था. And the 2 जोड़ी चप्पल के लिए इतना bargain किया हमने. Oh god. But I really liked this. This I could wear with my formal wear when I'm going to office because this is not exactly lounge wear जो आप चप्पल पहन के ऐसे निकल जाओ. This is a little bit on the dressier side but this is so comfortable. एंड आई एम सॉरी गाइज ये बहुत गंदे है बिकॉज ये मैंने पहनना स्टार्ट कर दिए. ये भी मैंने वो सेम स्टोर से लिया हिल रोड से. दीज आर जस्ट बेसिक स्लीपर्स जो घर पे पहनने के लिए लिए. आई लव द बो डिटेलिंग ऑन दिस एंड इट्स जस्ट नॉट अ बेसिक बो, इट हैज लाइक प्रिंट्स ऑन इट, सो इट्स जस्ट क्यूट. इट्स ब्लैक, इट गोज विद एवरीथिंग एंड अगेन गुड क्वालिटी. ये तो मैंने लिटरली एक हफ्ते से मैं यही पहन रही हूँ बिकॉज आई वॉज इन डेस्परेट नीड ऑफ शूज. एंड ये दोनों मिलाकर आई थिंक आई पेड 500 bucks.
Which we got our bags. Unfortunately, I forgot my bag at my place, but I'll definitely insert a clip over here. So I got a nice nude color bag again just for 200 rupees. ये Linking Road से लिया था. I love the detailings in it, the way it opens. It was really nice and अंदर काफी compartments है like, and the belt is also very good. So 200 rupees के लिए this bag was really nice.
Now moving on to my bags. Oh my god, like I'm a sucker for bags if you don't know that by now. So the first bag that I bought is this really pretty sea green colored bag. This is a hard case one and I bought this for 250 rupees. It also comes with a small small cloth thingy which you can remove as well, but I think it just looks really cute like that and it has golden hardware on it. So it opens up like this and it has 2 compartments in it. ये दो, and for 250 bucks so I'm not even complaining. The quality is so nice and the strap is great. I personally don't like only chain
Yeah,
straps because वो
same.
shoulder से गिर जाता है. So I like that it has a matching colored strap on the shoulder as well. And ये भी Linking Road से लिया है and there's a fun story behind this, but you will have to stay tuned for the vlog. उसमें
yeah.
भी explain कि इसमें क्या था. So stay tuned. Then I bought this black bag. This is a very basic bag. I love the shape. It's a very
Yeah.
different shape. It has a bow on it and it has two compartments, like two chain compartments. It has a smaller chain on the back as well. And this bow thingy also opens. So there's a lot of storage over here. ये भी मैंने Linking Road से लिया for 200 rupees. And again, it has a basic black strap. And the last bag that I have was, oh my god, such a like impulsive buy.
Yeah.
So हम लोग ना पहले हिल रोड गए थे, वहाँ पे हमने बहुत सारी शॉपिंग की एंड द बैग्स विच आई वाज कैरिंग वो फुल हो गया था. एंड उसके बाद मुझे बैग्स एक्चुअल पर्सेस मुझे लिंकिंग रोड से लेने थे एंड आई हैड नो स्पेस. सो आई बॉट दिस हैंड बैग फॉर 50 रुपीज. मतलब वो भैया ऐसे ही रास्ते पर बेचते हैं वहां पर. दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन बैग. आई हैव सीन इट एट अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस. सो 50 रुपए के लिए आई वाज लाइक ओके दिस इज अ रियली गुड क्वालिटी एंड ऑल्सो इट्स क्वाइट ह्यूज. इट वुड फिट इन अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. सो इट वॉज जस्ट एन इम्पल्सिव बाय बिकॉज मेरे पास और कोई थैली नहीं थी. एंड इट कम्स विद दिस प्रेस बटन थिंगी. सो इट्स ओके, इट डज नॉट हैव अ जिप, बट देन 50 रुपए के लिए आप क्या ही एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो.
बैग रखने के लिए बैग ली थी हमने.
Seriously, yeah.
So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what was your favorite thing from this haul. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
And we shall see you all in our next video now. Bye.